Hello everybody, welcome to the ByteBridge data labeling platform. In this video, I will show you how to create the workflow for preparing training data using the bounding box and classification template. Let's consider a scenario where we want to build a car license plate reader. We might have some images that are captured from traffic cameras, and we want to train a model to first recognize the license plates and then classify them by color. First, I need to create an image labeling task project. So here I create the task by clicking New Project, Image, and then I choose the Object Bounding Box and Classification template and click Start to Build. In object detection, we usually use a bounding box to describe the target location. So this template is useful when you want to detect and then classify an object. Let's look at this template. It's drawing a bounding box around people's faces in the image and then making classifications. Since in our case we're detecting number plates instead of faces, we need to change the object. Once I click on the second rectangle, the editing section shows up on the right column. Let's change the object to license plates. Then we click on the third rectangle and change the classification. In this step, we are selecting color of the license plate. Depending on the type of vehicle and the country, for example, if we're in Japan, license plate background is distinguished by white, yellow, green, and black. So now we need 4 choices instead of 3. Add 1 choice and change the options to white, yellow, green, and black. This task pipeline involves detecting and localizing the license plates and then classifying them by color. Let's double check our configuration. If everything seems correct, click Save, and now we're done with the project configuration process.